Blueberry picking. Ayan. From there, blueberry picking. Si auntie. Diyan. Yun, all over there. Laki-laki din pala ang blueberry picking dito. Ay, blueberry farm. Let's eat. Aray. There.
It's included in the price.
Yummy.
It's very sweet, right?
Love, you did not wash it. You crazy?
No, it's coming from here. It's fun. The big one, love.
Yeah, I know the big one, but we're not gonna be here all night.
I know. But don't get the small. And then the other one is already dry. Some of them are dry.
Yes, we can pick them after. The best ones are.
Right?
There's still some that's big, but not like 3 weeks ago we were here. They are so big.
Blueberry needs water.
Yeah.
So lots of rain.
I think they have their own water.
Yeah, but that's not enough.
Mm.
This is water to keep them alive, not to make them grow big.
Don't get the...
Want to get the one on the ground?
Yeah, because we will eat that all the way to Alberta. We're gonna finish it while traveling. You think so?
We're gonna poop ourselves silly if we
You, I think.
Yes.
And you know what? You are on live.
Hmm?
You are on live.
Yes. I'm live.
Yum, yum, yum. I get the big blueberries.
Big blueberry. Better to use both your hand.
I think I will gonna have a stomach full of this.
That's okay. Stick some.
with all. Skip lunch and then dinner, and then tonight my tummy is krok, 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 krok.
Sure.
We don't get the dry lap, huh?
We'll pick them out later.
Nye. You pick and then you pay for it. Sarap. Eh, nahulog.
So, put your camera away.
That's fine.
Use both
Because
your
I'm gonna show that to Megan.